Tata Marcopolo operations. The primary bus manufacturing and building unit started in Lucknow with an output of 8 buses per day. A second production facility is at Dharwad. Currently, it has doubled its production and become the largest unit in the world. Tata Marcopolo buses were seen on the Bus World exhibition too, and it was able to get customers' and viewers' attention. Recently, Tata Marcopolo came with the Young electrical buses, which is a commercial success. The company received 300 bus orders from some state governments of India, each bus costing around 1 crore. Sales. Tata Marcopolo products are being used or inducted in several Indian cities as part of the local transports fleet like Navi Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Mysore, Kolkata, Chennai, Lucknow, Kanpur, Chandigarh, Pune, South Kanpur, Kachai, Madurai, Nair Raipur, Hyderabad, Thane. It is a low-floor bus with both air-conditioned and non-air-conditioned variants available. The non-air-conditioned variants is used by Kerala State Road Transport Corporation. Gallery.